Cutting to Arvind Kejriwal's temple run before he arrives into Tihar. Delhi Chief Minister right now on a temple visit. He's at the Hanuman Mandir. He was seen earlier at the Rajghat with a bunch of the Aam Aadmi Party netas while he met his party leaders and cadres before he now heads towards Tihar jail. Temple run before the surrender that will happen in a few moments from now. We're tracking Arvind Kejriwal's movements. Let me cut across to Piyush, our correspondent at the Hanuman Temple. Piyush, who is Arvind Kejriwal with?
Well, all the Aam Aadmi Party leaders, including spokespersons and his family members, are accompanying Arvind Kejriwal at Hanuman Temple. Sanjay Singh, Saurabh Bhardwaj, Atishi, they are there. Sanjay Singh, Arvind Kejriwal's wife is also accompanying him, and he has just gone inside Hanuman Temple. Let me also try to show you the visuals from the place I am reporting. You can see as to how, looking at the security of Delhi Chief Minister, a special corridor has been created here by Delhi Police, and he adopted the same corridor to go inside the Hanuman Temple. And on either sides of this corridor, there is a massive deployment of paramilitary forces and Delhi police officials. The senior police officers have also gone inside the Hanuman Temple with Arvind Kejriwal, and he is right now inside temple and is offering prayers. Before coming here, he went to Rajghat with all the Aam Aadmi Party leaders and his family members, and now he is here at Hanuman Temple. He is likely to spend another 10 to 15 minutes here maximum, and then he will head to Aam Aadmi Party office, where he is going to address the gathering there of Aam Aadmi Party workers. We can expect Arvind Kejriwal to once again reiterate what he had spoken about about the entire case. We can expect him to lash out at BJP government. We can once again see that he will again say that he lost his weight while he was lodged in Tihar jail, and he has not been able to gain weight even after coming out of Tihar jail. So in few minutes from now, he will leave from Hanuman Temple for Aam Aadmi Party headquarters, which is barely 2 to 3 kilometers away from this very spot from where right now I am reporting. Security has been beefed up here at Hanuman Temple. Let me also ask my video journalist Ankit to show you the visuals of the Aam Aadmi Party leaders and workers who are present here. In few minutes from now, Arvind Kejriwal will be coming out. Yes, what we are now learning is that he has offered prayers, and he's any moment from now he will come out and then head to the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters, where he is going to address the gathering there. So it's a mega show of strength by Aam Aadmi Party, where we are now seeing how Arvind Kejriwal is trying to tell to the people of Delhi that he is here to offer prayers. Before that, he went to Rajghat, and then he is also to move to the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters. All senior leaders of Aam Aadmi Party are now present here. Saurabh Bhardwaj, I can see Saurabh Bhardwaj. Sanjay Singh is there. Kuldeep Kumar is there. Atishi can also be seen. The media wing department of the leaders of Aam Aadmi Party, even they are present here. So we are now seeing as to how, before surrendering in Tihar jail once again, Arvind Kejriwal is now here at the Hanuman Temple of Connaught Place. You would remember, Nabila, that before before this move, Arvind Kejriwal had done a press conference where he had said that that the work of Delhi will not be stopped. He also asked people to pray for his ailing parents. He also requested people to not feel bad about his visit, about his surrender in Tihar jail. And now we are seeing Arvind Kejriwal is coming out of Hanuman Temple. He has offered prayers. Any minute from now, we can expect him to be at the exit gate of Hanuman Temple. So these are the live visuals from Hanuman Temple. Arvind Kejriwal along with his wife, they are now coming out of Hanuman Temple. He has just offered prayers there at ancient Hanuman Temple of Delhi, which is in Connaught Place area of National Capital. And after this, he will now move towards the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters. Arvind ji, would you like to say something? Kejriwal along with his family members and the top leaders of Aam Aadmi Party are now leaving from here, from Hanuman Temple, and now they will head to the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters, where Arvind Kejriwal will be addressing the workers there who have congregated there, and that will be his last addressal to the party workers before going to Tihar jail. Remember that he was given interim bail by Supreme Court on May 10 on the grounds of campaigning for Lok Sabha elections, and his term, the term of that particular interim bail is now coming to an end. In fact, it ended yesterday. The court had asked him to surrender before Tihar jail today, and that is what he is now following. He was lodged inside the jail in the alleged liquor scam. Manish Sisodia is already behind the bars. Sanjay Singh was also arrested, though he was given bail. He was also accompanying Arvind Kejriwal. So the top leaders of Aam Aadmi Party are already facing the ire of law. Satyendra Jain is also inside the jail in a money laundering case.
Satyendra Jain is inside prison on a different case, but what we know is Manish Sisodia, his second in command, Deputy Chief Minister for Delhi that he was before he went to prison, has been in prison for much over a year. Much over a year in the same Delhi liquor policy case, which was formulated by Manish Sisodia and given a stamp of approval by Arvind Kejriwal himself in capacity of being the Chief Minister of Delhi. And that's led to the leaders being in prison in the case, while allegations of money laundering has been leveled against Manish Sisodia. Arvind Kejriwal has been accused of trying to take the proceeds of the crime, or money has been taken in many ways and distributed to people, that he could be the one facilitating the entire process, that he was involved in granting licenses, giving his stamp of approval in exchange for big kickbacks. These are allegations against Arvind Kejriwal, and of course with Manish Sisodia being in prison for much over a year, there could be very well fears within Kejriwal itself and the Aam Aadmi Party whether Arvind Kejriwal too will meet the same fate. Remember, it's Aam Aadmi Party who's constantly been firefighting the allegations, saying that these are false allegations, not a single rupee as proceeds of the crime has been recovered. There's nothing to prove the allegations leveled by Enforcement Directorate. But nonetheless, as days go forward into the investigation, we see the ED claiming charges, or as per their charges, it claims that many of their Aam Aadmi Party netas were involved in receiving kickbacks, all to liberalize their Delhi liquor sales. Licenses were given in exchange for bribe from many of the liquor barons across India, particularly the South Cartel and many within the national capital itself, that they were favored in exchange for money. Now, as Arvind Kejriwal has no choice here but to return to Tihar jail, we see he's made a temple visit at the Hanuman temple. We saw him with his family members. Sunita Kejriwal, his wife, is right beside him. And before that, he also went to the Rajghat, where he paid tribute at the Mahatma Gandhi Memorial. And now he's likely to be meeting with the Aam Aadmi Party netas before he makes his way back to Tihar.